All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are taking off this bumper. Probably wondering why this is wire, because the bumper is really messed up and it was just dragging on the floor. So this corner piece right here just drags on the floor, so this holding it up. But this is coming off today, and we are going to be putting on the Voltex front bumper. Let's get to it. First, I'm gonna take this wire off. It's just wrapped around like this, just like that, and it's off. Normally there'll be like a screw up here and one down here, and you got these 5 and you got another one right here. So I'm gonna get to it right now. All right, these are off. All right, this is how the car looks right now. Damn, it's terrible. This still can be used for the next bumper. Gonna put it aside. All right, this piece from the top bumper, which goes up here. There you go. This looks fine, so it's just gonna be reused again. And for this side, it's all messed up. So this is all bent up. This needs to be replaced. This is how bent it is. It's supposed to be going up here this way, like this, but it's right here. I need to pull this. I'm gonna see if I can pull it from here. So just to compare to the other side, this side is very straight. I'm gonna go based on this side and see how it goes. So the crash bar is all bent down. This middle framing right here is a little bit dented in, so that might be a little bit of an issue. I just want to take this off before it finished rusting the whole thing. Seems pretty easy, pretty, you know. For right now, I'm just gonna test the Voltex bumper and see how it looks, just to get an idea of how it might look. And if it fits right, I should probably just leave it like that. All right, so we have the top half of the Voltex bumper up here. That's the bottom half, and we have our hardware. I'm just going to put this upside down first. All right, so we ran into a little issue. These holes down here are a little bit too small, so this little screw is not going in. So what I'm about to do is drill these little holes a little bit bigger and go from there. Since I need to drill the holes a little bit bigger, I need my handy dandy backpack. All right, so we have our drill now, and we're gonna make the holes a little bit bigger. All right, so what I'm trying to do is make this fit through. As of right now, it's not going through. There you go. Now I have to do the rest just like that. All right, so all the holes have been drilled in, just the ones that I know that I'm fit in. Making holes a little bit bigger, we're able to put in the screw there. It's in now. I'm just gonna do the rest.
There we go. That's good. Hello.
We managed to put just a couple on right now. Got 3 on this side, got 3 on this side. So we're just gonna test fit it like this and then go from there. But first, I need to tighten these with a 10. All right, so here is the bumper, you guys. But you know what I just noticed that I could have done? I could have put the bolt in from this side right here. Like, this is so much easier. So I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna tighten them real good, and then we're gonna put it outside and test fit it on the car. There you go. So excited. All right, this is gonna have to go up here. All right, just like that. This middle piece has to go on first. I ran into a different problem. This right here, this goes with the regular bumper. So this goes right here and it connects to this part. This one, this bumper, this side has it. This has to be removed because this one doesn't have it. So it's all smooth. I'm gonna have to remove that one and see if it fits. There you go, now it's off. This headlight might be an issue. I'm gonna have to move it around. Let's see, bear with, but as of right now, this is how it looks right now. Damn. It looks pretty aggressive, except for this side right here needs to be pushed in and then stretched out that way. But right here it lined up pretty well. Right here it did as well. The only thing that I didn't like is this part here. There's like a big gap. I don't know if you guys can see right here. So right here is kind of it's not a perfect fit, but it's something for now, you know. Yeah, I kind of like it, you know. I'll probably rock with this for a little bit until I find the stock bumper. So right here, see this frame right here is pushed in this way. So I need to push the whole frame that way and this too that way, so that this fender right here could sit down a little bit lower. There's a big gap right up here and it's closed down here. That's because this fender right here it was like this, so you got pushed in more like that. I could do it with maybe like a rope or something, but I do not have that right now. All right, so you know what? I'm gonna put this liner back on. I'm gonna put the wheel back on. I'm gonna sit on the ground and see if we could make. So I'm gonna put the wheel back on. I'm gonna put the liner back on. I'm gonna close the hood, and then we're gonna make a trip to Home Depot. See if I could get some rope or something, and we could probably knock this off today. So what's up? All right, as of right now, this is how the car sits. Damn, it actually looks a bit longer. But look how aggressive it looks. Look. Right now, the sun doesn't work. It's not working with us, but it looks pretty aggressive. I'm not gonna lie. Except for this side right here, you can tell. It looks all stupid. So once I close the hood, it does match up. In my last video, I told you guys that fender moved a little bit. It opened up right here on this gap right here. It opened up, and as you go up, it closes. So I'm gonna have to fix this. This bumper, it does help me line up. Let's see where I have to go, push it in more this way. I feel like I'm gonna have to get like some rubber casing so I can put it all around to make sure water doesn't go in through there. The only issue I'm having on this side is that this fender is hitting this part of the bumper, so I just have to stretch this out and maybe everything else will align itself up. And then this part right here, I just need to hammer it up, and that's it. Compared to how the car was before, this is a major upgrade. Looks a lot better, and